How to activate Walmart Mastercard account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in walmartmoneycard.com activate. With that, often website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, activate or register a card. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now here you will see this option of activate your card. Click on this option. You will land to the card activation page. Now from here you can easily activate your Walmart Mastercard. All you have to do is type in the credentials. First up, type in the 6-digit card number. Then type in the expiration date. Type in the CVV. Check in for the option of I'm not a robot. After you provide all the details, click on next and go through the process for the activation. With that, your Walmart Mastercard account will be activated. So this is how you can easily activate Walmart Mastercard account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.